Hello, welcome people to another session of Maths I Can Do with teacher Kevin. Today, you're going to be watching a video conferencing lesson on the topic of solving math question from paper 2 of a renowned school. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy the lesson.
Here you go. Mr. Jamal had a piece of wire. Then what happened? He used 4 3/4 meter of the wire to form a rectangle. Okay, so let's draw the triangle and this rectangle and see what he's meant. That means this one, he's going to use 4 3/4 of the wire. Yeah, and he formed a rectangle. Yes. Then he used 1 2/5 less for what he used for rectangle to form a triangle. Okay, this is a triangle, but he is going to use less. So the triangle is made from what? How much? Do you know? 4. You have calculator is 4 3/4 minus 1 2/5. Agree? Find the total length of wire he used. Right? Find the total length of the wire he used. So we'll just have all these add together. That means this guy plus this guy minus this guy. Yeah, put calculator, that's all. Sophia, you understand? Sophia, are you there? Do you understand? Leave your answer in mixed number. They want mixed number and simplest form. So can I leave you to put calculator?
8 whole 1 out of 10.
8 whole 1 out of 10. Okay, lo? If you punch properly, the data properly, it will be the answer. Lah. Stella bought a refrigerator which included, that means her price of refrigerator before the GST was, that means 100%.
I know how to do this. 7 out of 100 times 43990.
Well, 100% is 4390 lo. I just use my ABC method because there are some people who might like watch the video. So how much did he pay? So did you do this? So he paid 107 no? Right? Because the 100% plus 107. So 107 over 100, that's my ABC method. You don't know, go and watch my really bad method on the YouTube lah. 4390. ABC method. Yeah, is that the answer?
The answer is 4697.3.
697.30 cents.
Yes.
Okay, if that's that, that should be the answer. Okay. Lisa, Randy, and Sammy went on a cycling trip. Lisa cycled 0.9 more than Sammy. So let me draw the picture again. So here Lisa, Randy. Well, long time never hear this name as well. Have you heard of anyone called Randy before? And Sammy. What a name, right? Okay, so what happened? Lisa cycled more than Sammy. Very good. So if Sammy is like 1 box, yes, Lisa will have 1 box and 0.9. Can you understand? 1 box here, yeah, plus 0.9. 0.9. When you have unit, you have a unit. Do you understand? Lisa cycle more than Sammy. Can you see the picture? Lisa cycle 0.9 more than Sammy. Each one cycle a unit. Then Randy cycle the same distance as Sammy. Ho, ho, ho. Randy cycle the same distance as Sammy. You understand? Say? So here Randy cycle the same distance as Sammy. There you go. Together they cycle 108 kilometer altogether. Right? What was distance cycle by Randy here? Just write 3 unit plus 0.9 is equal to 108. Yes, not? Is it? So 3 unit is equal to, okay, if I just write it down, 108 minus 0.9. You understand, right? You understand? Unit is equal to 108 minus 0.9 divided by 3. Well, you just, run this and then you should have the answer.
5.7.
0.7 kilometer. So we haven't finished because as I scroll down, we can see that they are asking for kilometer and meter. So well, it's 35 kilometer and 0.7 kilometer. You know how many meters, right? You take 0.7 times 1,000. Because 1 kilometer is 1,000, you have 0.7. So it's 700 meters. Is it okay? Sophia, you understand how we got to break it down? Break it down. So I can't hear what you're saying. What happened? Hey, you're muted.
No, I never. I didn't know that mute.
Okay, never mind, we just continue first. The figure below shows a triangle DEF. CDE is a straight line. This is 65. Find DFE. DFE. Just want to find this. This is so easy, right? Right? Well, this one lies on the straight line, right? Straight line, you can find how much is this, right? Come on, find how much is this line. This one will be, how do you find that? It's a straight line, you know? Straight line have 180, you know that, right? So this guy will be 180 minus 131. What do you get? What do you get? Have you kept the calculator, please? What you got?
49.
Yeah. Okay, then I'm sure you know how to find error. So it's 180 minus 49 minus 65. Why? Because this is a triangle. Do you understand why? It is a triangle. Sum of triangle need to add up to 180. So there, this triangle here. Can you see?
66.
66
Yeah.
66 lo? Okay? Okay?
Find DEF. DFE.
DFE I found for you already, what? Don't you think so? You told me 66 what? The Lim family used a total of so much water from Monday to Sunday.
Yeah, of course.
Okay, so they use a total, see, from Monday to Sunday, how many days? You know Monday to Sunday, how many days?
7 days.
7 days, okay. Monday to Sunday is 7 days. And the water charge is so much per meter cube. She used a total, Monday to Sunday. What's the total, huh? A total is 7.84 meter cube they use in the total. Is it? Cube. The question give you one. And there was charge at 1.25 per meter cube. So you times 1.25 to find the total money. What's the money? 980. So that is for 7 days. So 1 day is 980 divided by 7. That will be give you the money for each day. And the answer is $1.40. So, okay, can I move on?
Yes.
All right. Okay. Kasim saved 1150 every month from January to May. We're going to write down all the months first. January, February, March, April, May. I guess you should know, huh? Okay, January, February, March, April, May. Okay, the 1st of May. Okay, every month, every month. Oh, okay, every month he saved 1150 every month. So 1150 times, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on, 5. What did he say?
57.5.
What, 7.5?
57.
57.5. All right. So he said 57.5. Then he changed strategy. All right. He said 57.50 cents. Now he changed the strategy and he increased his savings by 250 per month for the rest of the year. All right. So that means we're going to have June, July, August, September. Do you remember? September. Okay. October, November, and December. It's Jingle Bell time. All right. So then he increased his savings by 250. That means this guy now would have been 1150, but he increased. He's going to increase. He's going to increase. Increase by what? 250. Do you understand? Get it? Get it? Get it? So he increased 250, and now this one is the same, 1150. He is going to increase by 250 and 250. You get it? So August, it will be this whole thing. Yeah, this whole thing. I think I'll put a copy now. I'm lazy to write. Do you know what's happening? Plus 250. Yeah. Sophia, can you follow? Can you follow? Can you follow? Are you following? Okay, just yeah, I don't want to confuse you, so I got space, so I just copy. Okay, so well, September is going to be plus 250. Can you see? Just draw it down low, okay? Take a bit of your time. Take a bit of your time. Sophia, are you following? Yeah, if you can punch a calculator very fast, you may not need to write this. You just keep on adding 250, 250, 250. You don't have to really write like me like that. You understand? Because I don't have the value. So I'm doing all this silly stuff. Other than that, you just add 250 if you have your calculator. Sophia, are you listening? Yeah, once you have that, you just add 250 to every number. But I don't have the calculator, so I'm just writing these dummy dumb numbers down. And finally, December. It's cool in December. Yeah, you're really not going to write all these numbers down because you just add on to the last number that you have. Okay, if you can put all these numbers and don't this total here, all this total here, plus this total here, this total plus this total together, you're gonna get how much money? Okay, this one. Okay, I'll leave you to it. You understand? This is the up to May plus all this blue color one here, it will give you the answer here. Sophia, you dropped out. Can you hear now?
Yeah, I can hear now.
Yeah, so I'm just saying June, you have just 1150 plus 250. July, actually you have the June number, just keep on adding 250 onto it. You don't write what I'm doing, okay? Because I don't have a calculator, I just duplicate. You don't need to. June, you just put 1150 plus 250. Can you give me the number? Can you give me the number? Can you give me the number? $14, right? Hello? You understand? Then after that, you actually don't need to write this. Yeah, you just write $14. Yeah, you do a bit $14 plus 250. You're going to get what? 1650. Yeah, and then August, you don't really need to write what I do. Hello, you just write 1650 plus 250. You know what I mean? And so on, and then you add them together. You understand what I'm trying to tell you? Yeah, that would be like $19. Hope you understand what I'm doing?
Yeah.
Oh. So yeah, carry on. Tell me now, what's the number lah? You want to help me with the numbers? Since you're holding a calculator? No,
No.
then I let you do. So this is like $19 plus 250 is 2150, and then it's just 2150 plus 250 and so on. Yeah? Come on, just help me with a few numbers. Okay, come. Help me with a few numbers. Okay? Just now, so far, so good? Was that
Yeah.
all cool? Was that all correct?
Calligraphy. Calligraphy.
Calligraphy means what? Everything correct? 2150, yeah? Plus another 250, which is what? $4. Yeah, last two. In the case, this is $24 plus. Yeah, okay, so it will be 2650. Are we doing it correctly? So
And this
2650
is my brother's name. And
plus
fill it in
250 is
this down.
$29. How much money is he saved for the whole year? I think you really got to add all these numbers here. Yeah.
Okay.
So you understand there all these numbers here. All these from June to July, all these numbers.
Huh?
Yeah, because June say 14, July say whatever what. Yeah. So add all these numbers here.
Okay.
I hope they are correct in the first place lah, because you don't want to help me with your calculator. So add all these numbers.
155.50.
Okay.
Dun dun ready
If it's
dun.
what you say,
Ready. Cause we're
we'll just add this here. One.
ready.
Okay, add this to give you the total savings for the whole year. What do we have? Yeah, correct. So how much money saved the whole year? So the answer is 213. Sophia, can I move on? Do you understand what's going on? Hello, do you get 213?
Yes.
Peter and Osman were standing in the lift. They are both standing here. So the greatest mass the load of the lift can take is 800 kg. That means whatever they do, they must equal to 800 or can be less than that. Do you understand? Yeah, they can be less because it's the lift, no? If not, anything over the lift will fail to work. Okay, you can be less or equal. Less or equal, actually, you can write like that. Less, this means 800 must be greater or equal to Peter and Osman, and these two guys is going to weigh 52. Are you following? So they're going to fill themselves with cement of 45 kg each. Do you understand? 45, right? And 45 and 45, and this is bag number 1. Obviously, you have bag number 2. Are you following? And who knows how many bags they have? We'll just continue. Bag number 2 until bag number n. Don't deface my stuff lah. Hello? So, what's the greatest number of bags? Can you do an equation? You have 45 times n. How many bags? Must be equal or less than. It cannot be more, you know. Less than means this one, little sharp corner. 800 minus 152.
648.
Then n.
Divide by 45.
And, you say 4, yeah.
Yep.
How much is that?
14.40.
N cannot be 14.4, so n is just equal to 14. No? The table below is the parking rate at the car park. So, how are we being charged? The first 2 hours, wow, charges is what? $3. True? No more, no less. Just $3. That means 2 hours later, 160 per half an hour. You understand? Or that means 320 per hour. Do you understand this? So the first 2 hours is going to pay $3. So she paid a total of $12.60. So $12.60 minus 3 minus $3 is how many dollars? 60 cents and 960. Yeah? Agree? After that, he is going to pay $3.20 per hour. So I divide by 320. That would be equal to 3 hours. Get it? Because 320 per hour, 960 divided by 3 hours. So she parked 2 hours plus 3 hours. Right? For the next 3 hours, she's going to pay $9.60. That's why total $12.60. The maximum time she park will be 5 hours. Do you understand?
Yeah, I understand.
Thanks for joining us. Please give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. And for more great tips like this, make sure to watch Maths I Can Do.